Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I got a little obsessed with disc golf, so I had to get this amazing MVP black hole portable disc golf basket. I didn't want to feel embarrassed again in front of my friends when I missed a close putt, so that's why this is the perfect purchase for me. I was able to set it up in my backyard and it was very easy to assemble. It didn't require any special tools, and I like that it's a very stable basket. It doesn't wobble around when I throw a disc into it, or even when there's a lot of wind, it doesn't move at all. The basket is made out of excellent materials. It's very well made. The metals, the chains, they're very sturdy and strong. I've had it for a year now and it still looks like new. Even though it's outside in the elements, in the rain and the snow, it still looks great. So if you're looking to practice a little bit more at home, I really recommend this basket, and that is my point of view.